Good morning, students. I hope you all completed the assignment given in the last class. Today we will be starting with a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. Before starting with the lesson, we would do a quick revision. So, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 1 or itself. They are whole numbers and are greater than 1. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Let's look into some examples whether the numbers are prime number or not. 31. As the number 31 is greater than 1 and it is only divisible by 1 and 31, so it is a prime number. 1. As it is not greater than 1, it is not a prime number. Number 51 is divisible by 3, 17 and 51. So the number 51 is not a prime number. Now what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers that have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime number. They are relatively called as prime number. For example, 14 and 15. The factors of number 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of number 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the common factor of 14 and 15 is only 1. Therefore, they are co-prime numbers. For example, 14 and 21. The factor of number 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factor of number 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Here the common factors of number 14 and 21 are 1 and 7. So there are two common factors. Therefore, they are not co-prime numbers. What are twin prime numbers? If the difference between two prime number is 2, then those two prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5. The number 3 and 5 are prime numbers and their difference is 2. For more examples are shown on slide. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than two factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll see an example of 6, 14 and 20. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. I hope now you all are clear with the concept. Now we look into page 15, the above questions. Which is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. As the rule says that prime number should be greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1 and is divisible by 1 and itself. The second question, list the prime numbers from 1 to 50. How many are they? There are 15 prime numbers from 1 to 50. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. The next question, circle the prime numbers in the list below. Answers are marked in blue circle, that is 17, 3, 2, 23, 41, 43, 79, 97. Now we'll solve practice set 10. The first question: which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? 1 is neither a prime number or a composite number. The second one: which of the following are the pairs of co-prime? First one, 8 and 14 have two common divisor, 1 and 2. So this is not a pair of co-prime. Next one, 4 and 5 do not have any common divisor other than 1. So this is a pair of co-prime. 17, 19 do not have any common divisor other than 1. So this is a pair of a co-prime. The next one, 27 and 15 have two common divisors, 1 and 3. So this is not a pair of co-prime. The next question, list the prime numbers from 25 to 100. How many are they? The prime numbers from 25 to 100 are 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. It's altogether 16 prime numbers. The next one, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Twin prime numbers from 51 to 100 is 59 and 61. Another one, 71 and 73. Question number 5 has been modified. If you see in textbook, they ask for twin prime numbers. However, we need co-prime numbers, so change accordingly. The question should be, write 5 pairs of co-prime numbers from 1 to 50. Answer: 2, 3, 5 and 7, 11 and 12, 29 and 30, 35 and 36. You can find more in that. These are only few examples. The next question, which are the even prime numbers? 2 is the only even prime number. For homework, copy all the notes shown in the video. Practice set 10 2 times in your classwork. Thank you.